You cannot fulfill your life just by using the passion. Reason? Because most of the people are fulfilling the liabilities. And that was me for most than 18 years of my life when I was just fulfilling the liabilities, waiting from paycheck to paycheck and not realizing what is really happening in my life. What am I living for? And this is the mindset shift that you all need in your 20s, 30s, or 40s, or 50s if you are very late on that. Is where are your priorities? That means which vision or the purpose are you chasing in your life? Do you have a purpose in your life which is beyond you? What kind of impact do you want to make in the life using what is your current version is? Second is, do you see the people, the vision? That is, do you have the vision when you fulfill your passion, how the world looks like around you? Once you identify this, you are on track.